Hello everyone, you guys are highly welcome to my channel. Both my old subscribers and my all my viewers, I welcome you to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please, what I'm giving is value. The reviews I do, they are so valuable. You can't afford to miss out. Please subscribe. The subscription is only free. You don't pay for it. And I promise you will not regret it. So without much ado, I'll be going straight to today's video. In today's video, I want to review a wonderful cream for you guys. I have this cream to review for you guys. And um, it's a very beautiful cream. And I know that you guys will love. So here is it, Piment Doux. Piment Doux. This lotion is so, in fact, it's a very nice lotion. I don't know if you guys remember the serum. You know, the serum. I started using the serum. It has a small bottle, the same name, the same yellow color. I have it somewhere. I didn't bring it out now. So the serum is called also Piment Doux. So the serum, I started using it like 3 years in my cream, and it's so wonderful. And I bought this one. This Piment Doux it contains the same ingredients they used to make the serum. It is made with fruit acid. That is the active ingredient. So this cream is an all natural cream. It's not natural. It doesn't contain any harsh chemical. That's why I love it. It does not contain any harsh chemicals. Like, doesn't have does not have hydroquinone or a steroid or any form of chemical. So if you're the type that are looking for uh natural skin lightening cream, so this is it for you. And not only that it's made up with natural skin lightening cream, it is also very effective. It works, it lightens. So I want to tell you guys the active ingredients in this cream. So this cream Piment Doux is, it said it is 100% vitamins. It contains fruit acid. So it's made up of, that's the main ingredient, fruit acid, and it has 100 vitamins. It contains vitamin E. It contains glycerin. You see glycerin. It contains salicylic acid oil. Wow. Wow. That's a good one. So these ingredients I just mentioned. It's not all the ingredients, but these are the major ingredients, because when you understand the, you know, all these ingredients, what they mean, when you want to buy cream, there's some one or two major ingredients you'll be looking for based on your need. So, and this one contains this salicylic acid oil. Wow. So that means this cream is good for lightening. It's going to lighten your skin. Is a good spot remover. If you are battling with spots, this cream is going to treat your spots. Because I'm going to, in another review, I will try to review for you guys the importance of salicylic acid, and I will show you the first cleanser I've been using now for that contains that salicylic acid. I'm going to show you to you, but not in this review. So for the course of this review, we're talking about this cream. So this is how it comes. Like if you want to buy, if you're going to buy it, make sure it has is the original. Like if you look at here, I don't know if you can see it. You see, it has the expiry date, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, which I don't think the fake ones can have if they make a fake of it, because all this cream, I don't like the way, you know, they try to make the imitation that when you want to buy cream you will not know which one is original or not, especially in AliExpress. You know, I see some of this cream, Chinese people selling them. Please, please, everyone, if you're buying all these creams that are made in Africa or in Europe, don't buy it from AliExpress. Anything you buy there is the fake one. AliExpress cannot be selling all these most of these creams. They are made in, they are francophone cream. They are made in maybe Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, all these francophone countries, you know. So if they are made in Africa or in France, I don't know why Chinese people should be selling it. So don't go there to buy your cream. Don't go there to buy your cream, because you'll not buy a good cream from AliExpress. Any African cream, you cannot buy the original from AliExpress. So that one, by the way. So for this cream, if you want to buy it, how much did I buy this cream? This cream is not that cheap. Think about it, like, is it 28 pounds or thereabouts? I can't remember exactly, because when I bought it, I bought a lot of cream at different time, because I always like to review creams and I have to buy them to review. So I think I bought it like 28 pounds, between 28-30 pounds. You see, it's not that cheap. So, and let me show you the inside, how it looks. Oh, wow. Wow, you see, even the packaging, the container is so fanciful, so lovely. You see, so this is what you look at for. And what does this cream do? Let me see. I think I have to, because I've not really I've not really I think I have to use something to open it. You see, it's sealed here. I think I need to open it with something or what. So I can't, the cream is not, I need to, I think they made it in a way you have to pierce the seal before the cream can come out, which is good. So that means when you're not using it, it's still, you know, safe. So nothing like air or anything or spill, especially spill. It's not going to leak, because that's the problem with most of these creams. They leak, but this one will not leak. So I really like the way they sealed it. So now I'm not in this video. I'll open it later. I don't have something around I'm going to use to open it. So here's the cream. So if you want any cream, if you're looking for a cream that will help you to give you a uniform skin, lighten your spots or dark patches. You know, they wrote these things here, but because they are in French, you know, yes, they wrote it here. It said with fruit acid and natural plants extract. You see, the lightening body milk Piment Doux provide to your skin brightness and softness. You see, that's a combination. It's a good combination. It will not only lighten your skin, it will also moisturize your skin. That is why they added vitamin E and glycerin. That is why it contains vitamin E and glycerin, and that is what I look out for when I'm buying a cream. I hate any cream that dries me out. Wow, any cream that I will use that will dry me out, I don't like using it, even if it's going to make me to be bright like the sun. I don't want anything that dries my skin. You understand? Because if you don't know the importance of uh, moisturizing your skin, you better start knowing it now, because before it gets late. Because by the time you start, maybe that is towards your late 30s, 40, so the wrinkle don't come knocking on your door, you know. But if you start pampering your skin, moisturizing it, even if if it's a drying cream you buy, that's what I do. I add my vitamin E or vitamin E. I prefer it over glycerin. You can even use both. So this cream will give you a clean skin. You can use it on your face. And another thing you will use, another good combination, if you're looking for something to mix it with, because that's what I'm going to use, mix this one with. You see, I have not used it. So what I'm going to use to mix this one is the serum. You remember the Piment Doux serum? I talked about it before. I think I've reviewed it in one of my videos. Yes, I've reviewed it in one of my videos. Yes, you have to go and check it. Buy the serum if you want it to be more active. Just buy the Piment Doux serum and mix it together and use it. You come and thank me later. So, so thank you guys. This is what I want to share with you. Piment Doux cream, the lotion. Try it if you're looking for, you know, something that will pop up your skin. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's so important. Subscribe. So I'll be motivated to, deliver more content to you. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye.